In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you've been experiencing issues with Microsoft Teams, such as it running slowly, not displaying updated information, or just acting strangely, clearing the cache can often resolve these common problems. It's a simple process that can give your Teams app a much needed refresh and improve its performance without affecting your stored data. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you want to make sure that Microsoft Teams is completely closed. Look towards the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. If you see the Teams icon there, what you'll want to do is right-click on it. A small menu will pop up once you do this, and from that menu, select Quit. This will ensure that Teams isn't running in the background while you proceed with the next steps. Now that Teams is fully shut down, we will open up File Explorer. For those who might not be entirely familiar with this, you can find File Explorer as the folder icon typically located on your taskbar. Once File Explorer is open, you'll need to navigate to a specific path or directory where the temporary cache files for Microsoft Teams are stored. The exact path you need to follow is within the user profile area of your computer. Typically, this will be something like c++users, your username, app data roaming plus Microsoft Teams. If you're unsure how to get there, you can type or paste this path directly into the address bar at the top of the File Explorer window, replacing your username with your actual Windows username. If you don't see the app data folder right away, it might be hidden. To make it visible, click on View in the File Explorer, then check Hidden Items. Once you've navigated to the Teams cache directory, the next step is to eliminate all files and folders you find in this location. Select everything you see. You can do this easily by hitting Ctrl+A on your keyboard, which will highlight all items. Then you'll just need to tap Delete on your keyboard to remove them entirely. Don't worry, you're not removing vital information. These are only temporary files, and clearing them can help resolve your issues. After clearing out those files, the final step is to restart Microsoft Teams. You'll find this in your Start menu under Microsoft Teams, or by searching for it directly. Once you open it, Teams might take a little longer to start up as it rebuilds a fresh cache. But after that initial load, you should notice an improvement in performance and functionality. That's it, you've successfully cleared the Teams cache on your Windows computer. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you feel Teams might be lagging or misbehaving. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Teams experience.